Hey mathematicians, it's Mrs. G, and I'm here with your number talks for today, November 30th. And just a reminder, if you see this little Bitmoji and it says turn me in, you are turning this into Google Classroom. I also want to remind you your hand signals. If there's a hand on your chest, a closed fist, that means that you are thinking. The thumb up means that you have your difference in this case because we are doing subtraction, or you have one strategy to help you solve this if you have another finger up. So you have two fingers up, that means you have two strategies to help you solve this. All right, let's begin. Here we have 73 take away 50. I'll give you guys a chance to think about that. Think of the strategies that we could have used in previous number talks. We did adding up, we have done counting up and removal. And for this number talks, I want to focus on removal. So here, we're going to begin. Here I have 73 minus 50. And I'm going to just do removal. I'm going to take away in pieces, right? So 73 minus 40, that gives me 33. And then I know that 40 is only 10 away from 50, so I'm going to do 33 minus 10 to get my final answer of 23. And just because I like to see what it was the original problem that I was solving for, it's 73 minus 50 is 23. Was that what you guys got? I bet it was. Let's move on to the next one. 73 minus 51. I'll give you guys an opportunity to think about this one. All right, so 73 minus 51. Again, I'm going to continue to focus on the removal strategy. So let's work on removal. Let me just make this larger so it's easier for you guys to see what we're working with. All right. So 73 minus 51. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do removal. So 73 minus 1, let's turn that 51 into an easy number to subtract with. So 73 take away 1 is 72. Then I'm going to continue until I get to 51 that I've removed from this original 73. So think of this problem as Mrs. G has 73 stamps. I used 51 of my stamps. How many stamps do I have left? That's how you should be thinking about these subtraction sentence problems. So now I have 72, and I'm going to take 30 away. Again, I want to make myself easy numbers that I can work with. And here I have 42 left. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract from the 42, 20. Because remember, I want my numbers here to add up to this 51. So 42 minus 20 is 22. I'm going to rewrite my original number sentence. So 73 minus 51, and that is 22. I bet that's what you guys got as well. Let's move on to this next one. Here I have 78 minus 20. I'll give you guys a chance to think about that as I rewrite my number sentence. Here I have 78 take away 20, and I'm going to continue using this removal strategy just so that we can all get comfortable working with this strategy. This one, I don't have to remove as many from here because 20 is not that difficult to remove from the 78. So I know that 78 minus 20 is 58. That's what you guys got? And if not, you guys can work on different strategies. You can add up, you can count up, you can, and again, we're focusing on removal for this one. Let's move on to the next one and our last one for the day. 78 minus 27. I'll give you a chance to think. You can always pause this video to help give you more time to answer this. So 78 minus 27. We're going to continue to do removal, and I find it easier to remove in chunks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this 27 apart so that we can see what parts we're working with. So that's 20 plus 7. Oops, plus 7. There we go. Next, I'm going to subtract 20 from this original 78. And that gives me 58. We learned that one with the last number talk that we did on slide number 4. So from 58, I took away the 10s, which were here. Now I'm going to take away the 1s from this 58. And that is going to equal 51. So now I know that the difference between 78 and 27 is 51. And just because I love seeing my number sentence written, and I know what my original number sentence was, I'm just going to rewrite this original sentence that we see here with our final answer, with our final difference. So 78 minus 27 equals 51 as my final answer. Great job, mathematicians. I'll see you soon. Bye.